Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, sir. Sir.
Good morning. Yes. Tell me, हम लोग कौन से क्वेश्चन तक कर चुके हैं?
Sir, we have to start. We have to start exercise. Yes, sir.
Okay, I have explained all types of fractions to you.
Yes,
Today
sir.
we have to start
Yes,
with
sir.
this. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
यही करना है. देखिए, आइए start करते हैं. Let us start the exercise.
Sir, it in the definition.
हाँ जी,
Sir, it in the definition.
जोर से बोलो बेटा.
Sir, it in the definition of fraction.
अच्छा हाँ, फ्रैक्शन की डेफिनेशन आप लोगों ने लिखी थी कॉपी में, और उसके बाद I explained all the types of fractions, and today we have to start this. Okay. So, fractions. Exercise 2A. Question 1. First part. Question 1, first part. You have to compare the numbers. Okay. 5/8 and 7/12. Compare these numbers. To compare the numbers, whenever you have to compare the numbers, you will use this method. Find the LCM of the denominators of the two numbers. दोनों numbers के denominators का LCM निकालेंगे. LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Do you know how to find the LCM?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can find this answer with another method with y cross.
Yes, it is your choice. कौन सी method से करना है? It's your choice. Okay. हम यहाँ पर LCM method से करेंगे. So first of all, you will. Huh?
So sir, in exam we can do y cross multiply also.
Any method. You can use any method in the exam. Okay. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Now, you will multiply this number by a certain number such that the denominator becomes 24. So I should multiply the given fraction 5/8 by 3/3. अगर मैं 3/3 से multiply करूँगा, the denominator will become 24. Am I right or not? 8 into 3 is 24, and 5 into 3 is 15. So this is the first one. Second one, 7/12 into what is equal to, the denominator will become again 24. कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें? I think we should multiply by 2/2. 12 into 2 is 24, and 7 into 2 is 14. Now you can see that the denominators of both the numbers are same. दोनों numbers का denominator same है. Just compare the numerators now. Numerator किसका बड़ा है? The first number. So this means 5/8. 5/8 is greater than 7/12. Understood, all of you? After making the denominators equal, we have to just compare the numerators.
Yes, sir.
So try doing the second part, all of you. You will do it on your own. Second part करिए. Have you all done the second part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start doing the first part of question 2.
Okay, sir.
The answer of the second part is 11 upon 15 is greater than 5 upon 9. Second part का आंसर चेक कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir. I am within 5/9. Then the sign of
हाँ.
right hand side.
5 upon 9 is smaller than 11 upon 15. ठीक है? Question 2, second part.
Sir, we will not do the third part of this.
No, we will not do. 3 upon 4. नहीं करेंगे बेटा, नहीं करेंगे. Comma 5 upon 6. Comma 7 upon 9. Comma 11 upon 12. Okay. So these are the 4 fractions. We have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Ascending order में लगाना है सारे fractions को. Okay. So how you can do this? Again, you find the LCM of all the denominators. LCM of 4, comma 6, comma 9 and 12 is equal to 24. Sorry, or 24, 36. What is the LCM? 36 is the LCM. Okay. Now, may convert all the fractions in like fractions में convert कर दो. Like fractions क्या होते हैं? जिनका denominator same होता है. तो यहाँ पर denominator 36 बनाने के लिए you will multiply the fraction by 9 upon 9. 4 into 9 is 36. 3 into 9 is 27. 5 upon 6. 6 upon 6 से multiply कर लेंगे. This becomes 30 upon 36. Next one, 7 upon 9 multiplied by 4 upon 4 is equal to 28 upon 36. And 11 upon 12 multiplied by 3 upon 3 becomes 33 upon 36. So these are the 4 fractions. We have converted them all in like fractions में change कर दिया मैंने. ये सारे like fractions बन गए, देख लीजिए. Denominators are same. Now you just compare the numerators and arrange the fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. सबसे छोटा number पहले आएगा. Okay. So the smallest one is 27 upon 36. That means 3 upon 4 is the smallest. 3 upon 4 उससे बड़ा क्या है? This is 28 upon 36. That is 7 upon 9. फिर इससे बड़ा 30 upon 36. That means 5 upon 6. And 33 upon 36. That means 11 upon 12. This is the greatest. Okay. Understood all of you? बहुत easy काम है, बिल्कुल same पिछले question के जैसा है.
Yes, sir.
Everything
It's
is
Answer
easy.
this, sir. Answer this we have done in the previous class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So note it down in your copies.
Sir, now we have to do the second part of this.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, did you have done anything before this exercise in copy?
And fractions from which chapter?
Okay, sir.
बेटा कौन से चैप्टर से पूछ रहे हो? Yes.
Sir, this only fraction.
इस चैप्टर में से बस हमने फ्रैक्शंस की डेफिनेशन लिखी थी बस. उसके बाद we have started this exercise. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Sir, we will do the second part of second question, second part.
Okay, now let us move on to question number 3. Question 3 का first part में आपको numbers को descending order में arrange करना है. Arrange the numbers in descending order. So you will do this right now on your own. करिए first part of question 3. करो. Do the first part of question 3. Yes, have you all done? First part of question 3 कर लिया सबने?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And the answer is,
Yes.
sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell the answer.
Sir, first is 7 upon 8, then 3 upon 4, then 17 upon 24, then 7 upon 12.
The
Yes, sir. My
greatest
answer is also
7/8 is the greatest. उसके बाद आपका आएगा hmm, six, 15. Second number is 3/4. सबसे पहले आएगा 7/8, then 3/4.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद 17/20.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Answer उसके बाद 7/12.
Yes, sir.
तो question 4 start करते हैं ना. Is there any problem anyone? किसी बच्चे को कोई problem है तो बताइए. Okay. Okay, let's start with the question number 4. Question 4 is Renu got 2/7 part of an apple, while Sonal got 4/5 part of it. Who got the larger part and by how much? एक एप्पल के रीनू को कुछ पार्ट मिला, कुछ पार्ट सोनल को मिला है, ठीक है? And you have to tell that किसको ज्यादा मिला है. So that means you just have to compare the two numbers. आपको 2/7 और 4/5 को compare करना है. So 2/7 and the second number is 4/5. So first of all we find the
Sir, we not write the statement. Sir, we not write the statement.
not required. The Runi, if you want, you can write. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 2/7 into 5/5. This is 10/35. And second number 4/5 into 7/7. This becomes 28/35. So you can see that I have made the denominator same. That means दोनों fractions को like fractions में convert कर दिया. And now you compare the two fractions. Obviously, the second one is greater. So 4/5 is greater than 2/7. So last में you write a statement. Therefore, Sonal got more than Reenu. Sonal को ज़्यादा मिला. कितना ज़्यादा मिला वो भी बताना है. Sonal got more than Reenu. Sonal got more than Reenu, first of all. And now what is the कितना ज़्यादा मिला है Sonal को? To find this, you will find the difference of the two numbers. 28/35 convert करने के बाद ये आया था minus 10/35. So this is equals to 18/35. So Sonal has got 18/35 more as compared to Reenu. 18/35 of apple more
Sir,
Reenu. Yes.
sir, in the exam, अगर come, we have to write the statement or directly solve.
Sorry. बेटा
Sir, if this,
obviously आपको statements लिखने हैं. अब इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कुछ खास रिक्वायर्ड नहीं था इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिखवाया. Otherwise, whenever there is a word problem, you have to write these statements. Okay. So in the last also you can write a statement. Sonal has got 18 upon 35 more than me. Sonal has got 18 upon 35 more than Renu. Let's start with question number 5. Find the sum of these numbers, these fractions. First part, 5 upon 9 plus 3 upon 9. So here you can see the denominators are already same. So you can directly add the numbers 5 plus 3. Whenever the denominators are same, you can directly add the numerators. So 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 9. You have done this in your previous classes also, class 5 and class 6 maybe here. And now second part, 8 upon 9 plus 7 upon 12.
Sir, we have to do the second part with ourselves.
Yes. Acha, chalo, I am telling you. Again, you will find the LCM of 9 and 12. 9 or 12 का LCM क्या होता है? It is 36. So first you take the LCM of the denominators. 36 is the LCM. And start writing like this. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. 36 को 9 से divide करेंगे 4 आएगा, and then you multiply 4 by 8. 4 into 8 is 32. 4 into 8 is 32. Then 36 divided by 12 is 3. 36 divided by 12 is 3. 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 7 is 21. Now you add the numbers, it becomes 53 upon 36. 53 upon 36 is the answer. Understood? If you want, you can convert this into an extraction. Maybe convert percentage, that's your choice. So this will be 1 whole.
Good morning, sir.
1 whole 17 upon 36. This is the answer. 1 whole 17 upon 36. 1 whole 17 upon 36. Rishabh Sahani, you are from class 5A. Am I right? What are you doing in this meeting? You have to join at 8:10, not now. Leave the meeting 7th class चल रही है ये अभी. ऋषभ साहनी 7th क्लास का पीरियड चल रहा है, आपका 5th क्लास है, 8:10 पे ज्वाइन करिएगा. Let's do the fourth part of this question. Fourth part अपने आप करिए, all of you. Start doing the fourth part of question number 5.
And sir, what about third one?
छोड़ दो उसको, सारे नहीं करने आपको. Just do the fourth part.